Hello everyone, welcome to the Elliottwave.com YouTube channel. Today is Thursday, July 13. The time is 3 a.m. GMT. Today we are looking at the chart of the DAX. We can see we ended with 3 right here, intermediate degree, and then wave 4 has ended here, 15,453, and now has started to turn higher. The rally looks impulsive, so we should be looking for the upside extension as long as we stay above 15,453 here. Eventually we are likely to break above this previous peak here within the wave 5. So right now within the wave 5, the rally is still in progress right now. Now a couple of things we can observe here is that technically speaking, of course, until it really breaks above this previous peak, the alternate is always available, that we could be doing what we call a double correction. Double correction means we turn lower again like this. But even if we do break lower, you notice here this decline, this one is in a 3 waves. So 3 waves pullback is a corrective pullback, corrective structure. So this by itself is already telling us that the market is bullish, because the move down is only in 3 waves. And not only that it is in 3 waves, but if you measure the extension, it was a perfect 100% extension here. Again, typically that will signal this is a corrective structure here. If it is an impulse, 1, 2, 3, usually with 3 is going to extend all the way down to 161.8% extension. Alright, so with this 3 is pullback and then what looks to be impulsive rally, we prefer to be more aggressive in this case, even though we have not broken above here, and we like it higher against 15,453. Now in the unlikely scenario it actually goes down again, then these 3 waves will become a W, and this will become your X, and then it will open up more downside like this. Again, that's not the primary view, but in the unlikely scenario that happens, then it will become a bigger sort of 3 swing like this. And still, because the first leg is clearly corrective, that doesn't change the idea. It still remains bullish, and then we should be able to find another support here at the 100% extension for further upside again. Alright, so that's the update for today. As always, if you want to get more updates on the indices, Forex, commodities, and so on, feel free to check our service. We have 14 days trial. I'll see you all again next time, and have a nice day, everyone.